hard to get food available that's on a budget. So I thought it would be useful to share with you veggie vegan on a budget to travel with. So what I bought this time on my trip, I've got limes in the morning to put in your hot water to cleanse. They're also great to go on your salad at lunchtime. I've got almond milk as an alternative to dairy milk, as that's quite hard to get in hotels. I also have, for a quick breakfast, I've got a chia squeeze here. You can get different ones with veggies in as well, completely vegan. And then as my main meal, I have a salad. So I just buy a huge pack of leaves. You can put them in a smoothie if you've got a travel smoothie maker, and you can put your lime on there. I've also got a ginger sauce. I just buy a sauce and salad. For some crunch, I've got some nuts and fruit just quickly to sprinkle over, and a great snack as well. Also, I have hummus, and then I buy raw broccoli, raw mushrooms. You can even get carrots, celery, all of that just to dip in. And the chickpeas are a great source of protein. You can also put any of the veggies onto your salad. I've got, for electrolytes, the coconut water, just to bring you back up in the heat. Also, as a quick snack, I've got some vegan bars as well. You can just buy them in the store, and they just give you a quick hit. And I went to the dollar or pound store, just bought some containers to eat it out of. Also, in the evenings, I've got some sleepy tea instead of hot chocolate, just to have a nice tea in the evening and relax. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like for more videos.